Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to sign up to Among Us. Now to sign up guys, if you have Apple phone you need to choose the Apple ID, because Apple ID guys you can't log it, and this Apple ID which Among Us is going to use to log in into your account or create account. And let's say how to change your Apple ID. To change Apple ID, go to App Store and click the top right corner and going to show your Apple ID, and from here guys you can log out and log into which you like, and you can correct Apple ID. If you don't have to do anything, just go to App Store and open Among Us, and you use Apple ID account guys, and you sign into Among Us. And I want to use this Apple ID, and you can create Among Us account. Click continue and you will verify my Face ID, and you can create account easily with Apple ID. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.